Keep your entry in safe position. Heraldic door knockers are often ornate, but may be no more than a simple fitting with a metal bob or ring. Heraldic door knockers entered into architectural history way back in the Georgian times. Today, heraldic door knockers are back. They really add class and style to doors, and they're a great way for adding personality to your home. Explore our selection of nickel and chrome-plated heraldic door knockers with classical Georgian influences. Add that touch of class to your home today. A door knocker is an item of door furniture that allows people outside a house to alert those inside to their presence. A door knocker has a part fixed to the door, and a part, usually metal, attached to it by a hinge that may be lifted and used to strike a plate fitted to the door, or the door itself, making a noise. The struck plate, if present, would be supplied and fitted with the knocker. Heraldic door knockers are often ornate, but may be no more than a simple fitting with a metal bob or ring. You're moving into another season and your home decor is looking rather drab. I have an idea that may brighten up your living. Why not bring new light into the room? It's a fact that we will notice the illumination of a room before we see the furnishings or expensive artifacts proudly displayed on the mantel. We have so many lighting fixtures that you could change your lighting for different seasons. It's good to shed a different look and light on your surroundings, making them seem brand new. Lighting is just one of thousands of home lifestyle items offered by Backyard Gardener. Backyard Gardener is the largest gardening store in the world.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.